This is an economical method used on rural roads that many countries have not yet known about. Have you ever wondered why workers spread dry cement on dirt roads? Actually, they unload cement bags from trucks and lay them along the road. Others come later, open the bags and spread cement powder on the surface to mix with the soil. A tractor then plows the mixture, creating a smooth, even layer that looks almost like a compacted foundation. When a water truck passes by and sprays the road, the cement immediately begins to harden. A roller is immediately moved in to compact the surface while it is still wet. The result is a rock-hard base that can withstand heavy use and survive the rainy season with much greater stability than untreated soil. Please share this method with underdeveloped countries that are technically and economically disadvantaged.